Is your Infiniti QX60 constantly dropping its Apple CarPlay connection or refusing to sync up? Statistics show that 80% of infotainment connectivity issues are actually caused by simple software or hardware sync errors. Let us walk through the troubleshooting steps to get your system back online. Start by checking your cable, clearing old device pairings, and ensuring your iPhone is running the latest iOS update. Common culprits include low-quality cables, debris in the vehicle USB port, or simple privacy settings blocking the connection. If the connection remains unstable, try a hard reset of the head unit by holding the power button for 10 seconds. Try these DIY fixes before spending money on a dealer visit for potential hardware or firmware repairs. As you can see, a simple cable swap resolves the vast majority of connectivity complaints. If you're still stuck, try connecting a different phone to isolate whether the issue is with your device or the car. Keep a small toolkit in your glove box, including compressed air and a certified cable, to handle these issues on the go. Remember, connectivity is only as strong as your weakest link, and 9 times out of 10, that link is your cable. If these steps did not resolve your issue, it is time to visit your local Infiniti dealer for a diagnostic scan.